So here you have it, the KMac signature salsa. Homemade, scratch, delicious. So if you like this video, be sure to give him thumbs up and comment, which I know some of my top commenters will. And I appreciate your comments coming in because they do help the channel. And also join the pantry lounge where you can get the video first. Those members receive the videos first before they go public. So, and little perks and stuff, tips and things like that. So also check out my TikTok and Instagram. So without further ado, I guess I won't be able to taste this yet, but you let me know how it tastes and what you think of it. So this is your Merry Christmas KMac signature salsa. So talk to you later, and Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year.